In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix an HP laptop keyboard that just isn't working. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Obviously, keyboard not working is super frustrating because it makes it difficult to log in, type, or just use your laptop like a normal person. But if you can't type in on the login screen, you can use the on-screen keyboard to sign in. Once logged in, what you're going to want to do is hit the start menu just like so, and then hit settings. And then once you're in settings, look on this left-hand sidebar and find accessibility on this left-hand sidebar. Select it, scroll down a little bit until you get to this little keyboard section right here. Open that up and then look for filter keys up at the very top. If it is turned on, go ahead and turn it off. If it's enabled, that essentially means your keyboard's not going to respond correctly. Now, if the keyboard isn't working still after turning this off, what you're going to want to do is just close out of this and then right click on this little Windows key and then go into Device Manager. Open this up. Once your Device Manager, scroll down on here a little bit, and what you're looking for is keyboards. Open that up, find your keyboard device in here, right click it, hit Update Driver, and then hit Search automatically for drivers. If you don't see an update in here, back out of here, and what you're going to want to do is just right click on your keyboard again, hit uninstall one more time, and after you go ahead and hit uninstall, go all the way down to this little key again, select it, hit the little power button, hit restart, and then restart your computer. And once your computer restarts, your keyboard is going to uninstall and reinstall those drivers again, which will allow your keyboard to work again. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout the guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.